does gift giving have to be so hard? Well, here at Persona, we don't think it has to be that hard. So to help you out, we put together a really fun way to help you check off that Christmas list this year. So do you want to hear about it? Well, my good friend Lisa wanted to get something good for her daughter-in-law, but just didn't have any idea of where to start. So she shared a little bit of info about her with me, and I came up with 3 gift options for Lisa to pick from. So my option number 1 that I came up with for her is, who doesn't love an outfit? Who wouldn't want a nice cozy new sweater for Christmas, matching necklace, and to top it off, our amazing Democracy jeans. Your daughter-in-law, that special gal, is gonna love you for these. We could even throw in a pair of cozy socks if you would like. So option number 2, with this crazy year that we have going on, everybody needs a little bit of extra pampering, so we came up with the spa package. So we have a couple options in the spa package. Is that special gal a bath taker? So if she's that bath taker, we have these amazing bath bombs. A lot of people worried about sensitivity, but all of our spa packages, non-GMO, vegan made, small batches. So with that, who wouldn't want a blissful bubble bath? We have that as an option. Once you're all done with that bath, who wouldn't want to put a little bit of lotion, hands and feet? We have hand and foot rescue. If you want, we can throw in a pair of pajamas and socks with it. And my personal favorite, chocolates. Now, if you're the one who likes that shower, we have our shower steamers. Hang that in the shower, just envelope her in that great scent. Once again, socks and pajamas to go with it. So we're gonna move on to option 3. We call this our cocktail option, probably my favorite option. So we back by popular demand, we have our camp cocktails, but with a twist on them this year, we have our winter variety. So we have 4 flavors in, each flavor you get 2 recipes. So we have that. And a personal favorite is our instant mimosa kits. These are amazing. It's for the gal who likes mimosa, champagne, or just that little girl time. So if she's that type of person, we even have the mimosa bath salts. Who wouldn't want to have that nice glass of mimosa in a bath of mimosa? So, and once again, we can throw in some chocolates, or to top the package off, we did come up with some prepackaged bath spa items for you to go with that cocktail package. So as you can see, we have a lot of fun possibilities for these packages. You can mix and match, and they're right here locally at Persona. So we hope we can sure help you out, because we love to wrap up gifts for you and to help style you this Christmas season.